La 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 la. What's that?
It's a juicy hot dog.
Juicy hot dog?
Ah,
What are you doing?
bye.
You want to eat? Oh, you read what's written on the label.
Juicy, tender, juicy. Chicken friends.
Wow. Wow. What's the brand?
It's a cold. Let's go.
Tomorrow na tayo mag-cook.
No, it's nice.
Hala ka. Still ang dolor.
10 minutes.
Ha?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes. Cantaloupe.
What's this?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Next, what's this?
No. Bread.
Bread. Next.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Next.
Cupcake.
Next.
Nails.
Next.
Fish.
Next.
Chicken.
Wow, very good. What's that?
It's Del Monte mango juice tea.
Wow.
Apple, mango, 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 mango
Mingo, mingo.
juice tea.
Ah, mingo, mingo.
Number one.
Di ba?
Del Monte.